What's up everyone? Welcome back to day number 3 of this holiday giveaway series that I'm doing. The exciting part about today's video is we're going to be doing the announcement of the day 1 winner. Again, every time I post a video doing a giveaway, it'll be 48 hours afterwards and I'll announce the winner. So that's what we're coming up on here, guys. So for day 1, we will announce the winner at the end of the video, so just stay tuned for that. But let's get into day 3's giveaway, which is today, and that is from Maxshine. I want to say thank you to everyone at Maxshine. I actually reached out to them and said, hey, I'm doing this giveaway. Do you guys want to participate in sending out any products? And they sent me some pretty cool stuff. So today's giveaway is valued at $95, and it is their sit-on detailing creeper. Now again, guys, this thing is valued at $95. They actually have a special running on their website right now that is this creeper along with a little bundle package as well. That's retail value of $136, all for the same price as just this, so you're getting all those additional items for free. Or if you just go on the Maxshine site and anything across their site, guys, that's not on a deep discount, use code IMJOSHV15, you'll get 15% off anything on there. So I highly recommend them. I think they make phenomenal products at a very good budget-friendly price for the DIYer and professional alike. So really, really good products. Now this thing, guys, I personally don't even have one of these. I'm going to be getting one. I really want one of these because it's nice. It sits a bit lower. And when I'm doing my ceramic coatings, I'm doing long polishing, and you're getting down into the rocker panels and all that kind of stuff, this thing's just gonna make it a joy to work with. Also, there's bottle holders and all that kind of stuff, storage solutions inside of it for all your detailing needs. So in order to win today's video, just comment down below, what products do you like most from Maxshine? Storage solutions, polishers, chemicals, whatever it is, just comment down below and I'll select a winner once again from those comments. And again, guys, as a huge disclaimer, I know some people are still reaching out to me. There are scammers on YouTube, so when I do a giveaway and I have that giveaway in the title, these guys come in and they say that you won, reach out to us, and then they try and get money for shipping and have you send them money. I do not require any shipping. This is a giveaway. I'm not gonna ask you guys to pay for shipping or anything like that. So I only will be announcing the winner on camera, and then I'll reach out to you in the comments specifically to that one person. But outside of that, guys, just be careful so you don't get taken by a scammer. Okay, now with that said, guys, let's go ahead and hop back into my office and let's do the giveaway. All right, what's up everyone? We're about to do the day 1 giveaway. Again, this is for the glove box, December box, McGuire's pack, and the Adams holiday pack. So I have all the comments selected here. So this is all the comments that I got on that specific video. And there are a total of 855 comments. So thank you so much, guys, for participating. Really cool to see all that. So basically what I'm gonna do is I have a random number generator here from Google. So I'm just gonna put minimum is gonna be 2, because if you look here, number 1 is just channel name. So we'll go minimum of 2 to 855. Okay, see if you can see that, and I'll put generate 719. So I'll go over to here, scroll down to 719, and the winner will be, let's keep going here, my goodness. 719, Damon Virgil. Thanks for your SEMA video, picked up some of the great products from Autofiber. Awesome, and congratulations to you. So Damon, I'm gonna write you specifically on YouTube. Now again, everyone else, there are scam comments that'll say like text me on Telegram or whatever. Even though they have my picture, it is not me. They're just stealing my picture and doing that. So unless it's my actual channel name, it's not me, so be aware of that. But Damon, again, congratulations, and I will reach out to you right now, man. Okay, we're back. So Damon, congratulations, man. Like I said, I'm gonna reach out to you in the comments, but obviously everyone sees it is on here as well, on camera. So that's the official winner. But like I said, for today's video, just comment down below in the comment section of this video saying what your favorite product from Maxshine is. If you haven't used any of their products, just tell me which one you would most likely want to try. So that's it, everyone. I wish all of you good luck on these giveaways, and I'll see you back tomorrow. I'll be talking about a new giveaway that we're going to be doing and announcing the winner of the IMJOSHV Foam Cannon Pro. So good luck to everyone, and we'll see you tomorrow.